Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of installing WooCommerce, the most popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress. Whether you're starting a business or simply exploring online selling, this is your first step toward creating your own online store. Let's dive in. WooCommerce is a powerful plugin that transforms your WordPress website into a full-featured e-commerce store. It's open source, user-friendly, and scalable for both small and large businesses. Whether you're selling physical goods, digital downloads, or even services, WooCommerce has the tools you need. Now let's see WooCommerce in action. In this demo, I'll show you step-by-step how to install and activate WooCommerce from your WordPress dashboard. We'll also go through the initial setup wizard to configure store details, payment methods, and shipping options. To summarize, WooCommerce is a free, robust, and flexible plugin that enables e-commerce functionality in WordPress. You've now learned how to install it and start setting up your store, an exciting step toward launching your online business. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress and e-commerce tips. Your support helps us keep creating valuable content.